Hey and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be covering the free open source image sequence player called DJV. There's a link in the description for the installation files, and there's a version for Windows, Linux and Mac, so whichever your preference, you're sorted. So once you've installed it, just go through the little setup menu bit. Great. So there's a bunch of functionality, and I'm going to go through some of the key features now, but there's actually good documentation on their website if you want to go into a little bit more depth. Right, so let's get some sequences into the player. So you can either drag them in, or you can go to File, Open, alternatively Control O, like most software. This player will pretty much play whatever you throw at it, from MOV files to EXR sequences. So we just load this EXR sequence in. Down here we have the playback controls. They're all pretty familiar, so I'm not really going to explain them. But I will just point out that down here we can actually change the playback speed we want. And then just here you can actually see the playback speed we're actually getting. Another super useful feature is that you can actually load up multiple files. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'll just bring in this mask. And we can just switch between them with this drop down, or we can actually just toggle with the page up and page down buttons, which if you align the frames is good for like reviewing versions or different render layers like I am here. You can also unmaximize the window to see them in this kind of view too. The shortcut for this is M, and this can be quite nice for like comparisons as well. Another handy feature is the color picker. So Control K is the shortcut, or it's actually up here in the toolbar too. I mean, it is what it is, it's a color picker and gives you the RGB values of the pixel you clicked on, which I'm sure there's plenty of use cases for. DJV has been designed with VFX-production in mind, and I actually think it's a pretty cool tool to add to your collection, and I just wanted to shine some light onto it. It's going to save me a bunch of time. For example, I'm not going to have to render out image sequences just to preview them. I can just drag and drop them straight into this. I have found a few bugs here and there, but I hope you still find this image video useful. Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.